What?
What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
This keeps coming up and moving around.
Caden, there's no way for the mouse to move by itself, buddy.
I saw it.
You're crazy.
Can't you see it?
Yeah, show me.
Let's wait a minute. See?
What? I'm playing my game. What? Huh?
Watch it.
I'm watching. I don't see nothing, Caden. Where? Show me.
Just have to watch.
I'm watching. I don't see a mouse. Here's your mouse. Right here. See? This is your mouse. See, it moves when you move your finger on it. See? See?
And you just watch it. See?
And that's my grandmother and myself. Your father, was he ever a little deeper when you come? Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh, yeah. Did anyone in your family ever collect anything like antiques? Yeah, my dad. Your dad did. And would he take a lot of pride in keeping them fresh and new and cleaning them? Oh, yeah. Really? Especially my dad felt polished silver and every 2 months it's just what you think.
It's doing it!
I mean, was your house full of antiques?
What? Josh,
What? What?
it was going.
No. What do you mean it was going? Huh? Huh? It looks like it works just fine.
It was going.
Going where?
Show me. I'm gonna go look back there. Sure. No, I don't see them. Are they invisible? Do you see them? No? They're still right there? Or did they move? They moved. Where are they at now? Higher. Oh, higher. Scared? Yeah. Traditionally, kids that have problems with speech and speaking with the living often are more open
Turn it off big screen.
to death, having thousands of cases. I think that might be possible.
Directions log. Since we are dealing with a small house here, I've asked Chad to be alone inside for tonight's bedtime, while I monitor the outside.
Is this door open? Don't know if the back door was open or not, but I can't.
Alright, Caden. Come here. Caden. 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 Come here.
What? What's your problem, man? What? Caden?
Come here, buddy. Come
Did
here.
you eat too many cookies today? Huh?
Come here. Hey, I'm gonna show you something.
What? What?
Show them what you're doing.
What?
It was going.
It was going. Caden, stop.
Right here. Look.
What?
Going everywhere.
What?
It was going everywhere.
Caden, your mouse is right there. Look, it's not going nowhere.
Are you pushing against the monitor?
Alright, I'm gonna turn it off.
And I was in Brian Mary here.
Oh.
Open this front door. Turn inside.
Stop, Rick Mouse.
yelling at the mouse.
Dude, I just closed the door.
What just happened is that Parker detected the mouse, and we set up a camera on a tripod. All of a sudden, I hear Tyler say, "The door, the door, the door." It had enough force to move the tripod out of the way.
Alright, he's getting upset. Show him what you're doing. Come here, buddy. Caden. Caden, come here. I know, come here. Hey, hey,
Here,
hey.
Here.
Look.
Here. You
See
want
what-
this? Here. Watch your screen.
See, it's moving.
Yeah.
Hayden,
Look.
look at my hand.
Look at Josh's hand.
My patients clean your dentures toothpaste. I tell them dentures are very different.
You got it now, don't you?
Here, you want the mouse?
Yes.
Oh, I got you.